Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Follow me on all my socials at INWCONCEPTS or Miss Easy. Today I'm gonna be doing a video about just applying a wig, basically. I'm just having fun there. I kind of have the wig there ready. I had audio playing, but because of copyright, I couldn't play my dancehall music that I was listening to. As you can see there, I'm using the wig that I made for my birthday last year. It was fully blonde, but I didn't like the blonde, so I colored it to the color that I wanted, which would have been dark at the roots, and I think this is a shade of blonde gray. As you can see, I just put it on and I'm trying to get the hairline to match the closure to set right. I'm trying to straighten the lace because sometimes it gets ruffled up. It gets ruffled up when you're putting it on. I have it in a center part, which is, it's not my favorite part, but it's the one that's easier to maintain other than the side part. But that's the center part. I curl it up, so I'm basically just putting my fingers through so it can have a little bit more body. And guys, when you're getting a wig, it's important to get a closure if you're a beginner, because when you get a closure, it's easier to shift to which side you want, depending on your preference. So as you can see there, I'm doing a side part now. I didn't change the part or anything. I just shifted the wig to have a side part. After getting a closure wig, you can choose the next step of getting a frontal, which you can part any side. Preferably you should get a 13/6 frontal, which can go all the way back if you like your parts long and to look really natural. But if you're just a beginner, you can purchase a closure wig, which is very versatile. So I put it back at the center part because that's the part that I chose for this wig that really suits me better than the side part. There's really not much to put in on a wig. As long as you have a elastic band around it and it stays in place, you'll be fine for the rest of the day. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a video of the hair itself after it was curled up on my mannequin head. But yeah, leave a comment on what you'd like to see me do more in this video or more in my future upcoming videos. Yeah, INWCONCEPTS. Peace out, guys.